It's time for mat moves with Maricris, and of course, I'm your girl Maricris, and today our mat is in beautiful Cancun, Mexico. Soak that in. We are here at Crystal Grand Cancun, and before we get anything going, we gotta take care of ourselves, right? Prioritize your health because it's about being strong in life so you can enjoy whatever it is that you want. So I've got 5 moves for you, 40 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. Let's get straight into it. You're gonna meet me down on your mat. All right, let's get the timer going. 40 seconds on, we've got a dead bug. Legs, tabletop position. Let's go opposite arm and leg. Be right here. Warming up the core, right? These clouds are amazing to look at right now. Keep that low back flush to the mat. Good, 40 seconds on. After this, we're gonna flip over. We've got a modified push-up, the alternating shoulder reach. Exhale as you extend out. 3, 2, and relax, good. 15 seconds on, we are flipping over. Our elbows are gonna be out 45 degrees. If you want to find the proper way to get into the modified plank, you'll start in a high plank position, squeeze your core, drop your knees right here. We're gonna go together, we're on the clock. You're gonna go push up, reach, reach. Okay, make sure there's a wide base, like hip width apart. Because we're lifting that limb and we don't want to sway those hips. Good. Full body work. Stay with me. After this, we're coming up. Alternating forward lunge with a rotation. Feeling it already. Find that eye line. 3, 2, and relax. Push back for a second there. We're gonna come to a standing position here. Alternating forward lunge with rotation. Okay, so you're gonna step forward, rotate towards that lead leg, and switch, okay? Here you go, 3, 2, and 1, and I'll show you the front view here. Forward, load, and switch. Make sure we're seeing eye to eye right on this first round here. Good. Stay with me, push off that front heel. Good. I am starting to sweat here, but the breeze is keeping me well. Good. Come on. After this, we've got a small little break. Pace it out. 3, 2, and relax. Good. Shake it out right here. Next up, we've got a squat to crossbody front, alternating sides. All right, we got this. Me and you. 3, 2, and take this first round. Line it up. Meet yourself in the center. All right, if you were breaking down this movement, you'd be coming to that single leg and you're just rotating. Gotta break it down. Make sure we have the full understanding. Good. Do your best to place your feet back into that squat position. Work. Tempo this first round. 3, 2, and relax. Good. This last one will close out the round. Simple jumping jacks, right? We're taking it here, okay? So we're gonna close out, getting that heart rate up even more. 3, 2, and up. Jump it in and out. These ocean waves are everything right now. Yes. We like music. I also like the sound of nature and these birds here. Get it. After this, we come back down to the floor for a dead bug. Come on. Push it out. Oh, 3, 2, and relax. Woo! 1 round. Done data. Come on down to the mat. Get my vitamin D here right as the sun's creeping out on me. Okay, dead bug. 3, 2, tabletop, bucket in, opposite. All right, this is your chance to kind of like reset yourself for the round. Reset yourself for the round. Nice and steady. Keep that tension on your lower abdominals. After this, we're flipping over with a modified push-up to alternating shoulder reach. Keep a wide base on your feet when we flip over. 3, 2, and relax. Little breather, little breather. Ooh. Take this in right here. This air. Get ready to reset. Grab your body. 3, 2, and we're down. Modify. Reset. There. Good. Birds are cheering for you here. Cancun. Woo! After this, we're standing up. Find that eye line on the top of your mat. Just keep that alignment. Hips stay tucked. 3, 2, and relax. Need to push back to child's pose automatically. Okay, so what am I? Alternating forward lunge. Rotate towards that lead leg, and then back to center, pushing off that heel. 3, 2, and forward. Right? You want to make sure this is like prepping you for walking, right? Lunges, working on your gait here. Come on. Good. Nice and steady here. Keep those knees in line, tracking over those ankles. Woo! Come on. After this, squat to crossbody crunch. Fingertips will go behind those ears. Lightly. 3, 2, and relax. Come on out. Next one, we drop it down and ha! Okay, alternating sides. Switch repeat. Switch repeat. 3, 2, and we're down. Right, this is a core movement, strength, cardio, all in one. Take it down. Let's go. Good work. Tempo. Big quality drives. Almost there. Come on. 3, 2, and relax. Ooh, I'm gonna walk it out. First thing, walk it out. Jumping jacks to end this round. 2. Woo! Get ready. 3, 2, and we're here. If you need that low impact option, you are here. Okay, step it out. Still keep that rib cage tucked. So one thing I really want you to think about, right, abdominals stay engaged. We're not like back here. Forward, standing up, nice and strong. Whoa, yes. Nice outdoor workout. I'm curious where you're working out. Do you like working out outdoors? It took me a while to get used to it, but I started doing it when I was in Florida. Can't beat those views. Now I work at every beach. 3, 2, and relax. 1 more round, okay? Take your time coming down. Sometimes you get a little dizzy coming from high to low or vice versa. We got a dead bug. 3, 2, tabletop, and let's go. Recover. Yes, right here, we're doing it. In this last bit, let that surge of energy come in, right? That small push. First round is like you're just waking up. Second, when you feel in it, you'll start to feel tired. Third round, that's where the work happens. Good. Come on. Flipping over. 3, 2, and relax. Okay. Over we go. My mat's all sweaty now. Extra, stability work having to happen here now. Are you ready? Wide base. 3, 2, and push up. Reach, reach. If the shoulders are too much and you need to work on these push-ups, hold it there. Or if you feel your form getting crazy, hold this plank right here. It's also work. I want you to just stay active. Okay, that's the goal in mind. Brace as you lift up. 3, 2, and relax. Woo, wiggle, wiggle. Come on up. Come on up. Ooh. Let's use this little mat here. Okay, forward lunge. Rotation. Halfway through this final round. 3, 2, and you're here. Drop that back knee. Let's build that strong base. If the rotation's too much, you can simply stick to alternating forward lunges, right? Adjust as you need to throughout your workout. Make it your own. I give you the tools, but always listen to your body. You know it best, right? So I really want you to pause here. Make sure you feel center, right? That we're not stepping forward and knees, everything wiggling up steady. Only the top half is making that rotation. Good. 3, 2, and relax. Okay, squat. Crossbody crunch. Fingertips right here. Come on. Ooh. There's a turn. 3. It's all sweaty here. 2, and 1. We're down. Last bit. Oh. This weather is absolutely perfect. I cannot get over this right now. Right, weather changes would make this a lot more difficult. Right, like hot yoga or something. Stay with me. Drop that booty low. Hot. Come on, 3, 2, and relax. This is it. This is it, jumping jacks. Come on. This is it. Step it out if you have to, just stay moving on tempo. 3, 2, and we're here. Yes. Final surge, energy, final push. Strong and alive is what we do. Come on, come on. Right here. There it is. You feel it right here? Come on. Check in with your body. Are your arms coming up all the way? Core, tight, legs, move it. Don't cheat yourself, okay? Taking all this out, taking it. Come on. Push, push, push. 3, 2, and relax. Ooh, take a second. Take a second. Woo! You did that. I'm so proud of you. Rocking this workout from start to finish, making it your own. That small push, right? Even though it was a shorter workout, that doesn't mean it wasn't a quality one, right? That's how we become better. It adds up over time. So keep doing it. And I can't wait till I meet you back on the mat. Mwah! Have an amazing day.